Yo, welcome to BOSH TV, and we're here with the Happy Pear.
Yay! Welcome. Okay, so we're taking over BOSH TV today. We're shooting a one-pot vegan lasagna. It's next level, takes half an hour.
It's a recipe from our new book. It's epic. Here we go!
First step we're gonna do is make our cashew cream. This is to replace a traditional bechamel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour them in a pot with boiling water, and we're gonna leave them sit for 30 minutes.
So right now we're just gonna oil the lasagna sheets so they don't stick together when we soak them in boiling water to par cook them. So once you're done with that, just leave them aside, and we're gonna leave them there just to cook and rehydrate. Right now we're gonna make our tomato sauce. This is a real meaty, easy to make tomato sauce.
So we're gonna add our onions and garlic, and we're gonna cook them there for 3 minutes on a high heat while stirring regularly.
Okay, next step we're gonna add our mushrooms and our courgettes. Even if you don't like mushrooms, they go fabulous in this dish and they add a wonderful meat-like texture.
Next step we're gonna add the red wine, and we're gonna leave that reduce for 2 minutes.
Then we're gonna add in 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. We're gonna add in tomato puree. We're gonna add in some maple syrup to offset the acidity. And then we're gonna season with salt.
And black pepper.
Kaboom! And we're gonna add in sun-dried tomatoes, which we're gonna just put in there, gonna add a lovely meaty texture.
We're gonna reduce it and leave it simmer away for 5 to 10 minutes.
So we got our blender, and in our blender we're adding in our soaked cashew nuts. In on top of that goes the vegetable stock.
And the nutritional yeast.
Oil, we've gone with olive oil, but whatever oil you'd like. Some salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder if you have them.
Blend until it's a nice, smooth, homogeneous texture.
So we've taken our pan that we cooked our tomato sauce, we took out half the tomato sauce and just put it in a bowl.
We put a clean layer of lasagna sheets straight on top of it.
On top of that we went with cashew cream in on top, beautiful layer, smeared it out beautifully.
Pop back on the rest of the other half of the tomato sauce.
Lasagna sheets in on top and finish with a bit of cashew cream on the top. Boom! We're gonna cook it for 10 minutes, just kind of on a low heat, just to enable it just to cook and the whole flavors to infuse together. And then we're gonna put it in the grill for 5 minutes, just so it chars up and gets that lovely baked, kind of crispy top. Top tip, did you know, having served thousands and thousands, probably nearly a million slices of lasagna at this stage from our cafe, the best way to chop lasagna is using
with the scissors.
It just means that the lasagna sheets don't tear or spread around. So just gonna chop a slice, we can serve it up and just give it a little taste before the BOSH lads come back.
Okay, I want a quick taste just for approval before we get the lads in for the final verdict.
Okay, it's creamy. There's a nice bite of the pasta. It's not overly cooked. There's a little crispiness. It is.
Lads,
boom!
game on.
It's meaty, it's creamy, it's easy. Guys, that is awesome.
A new book is out. It's available for pre-order. It's 100 vegan recipes. It's next level. It's our 3rd book. So do check it out. Thanks a million.
Cheers, guys. Boom.
Bye.